Hi everyone, welcome to Melissa's Home Cooking. Today I'm going to show you how to make a super moist vanilla cupcake with buttercream icing. We have here in front of us 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 cups of custard sugar, 1.25 cup of milk, 1.5 teaspoon of baking powder, half teaspoon of salt, 3 whole eggs, 225 grams of softened butter, 3 teaspoons of vanilla essence, and for the icing sugar we have 4 cups of icing sugar, 230 grams of softened butter, about 3 to 5 tablespoons of fresh cream. We're going to use 1 tablespoon at a time until we reach the consistency that we want. About 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, 1 teaspoon of salt, and the pink coloring that we're going to use. So firstly, we're going to sieve the flour, the baking powder, and the salt. Then we're going to whisk it and leave it up. So now we're going to beat the butter and the icing sugar until light and fluffy. And then we're going to add in the egg, one at a time, and the vanilla essence. Then we're going to add the milk and the flour mixture a little bit at a time. We're going to add about a third of the milk and a third of the flour, and we're going to keep doing that until it's all finished and slowly mix them in. So now it's all mixed in. We're just going to take out the mixer, and we're now going to transfer into the cupcake tray. So make sure you line your cupcake tray ready, and also heat up your oven at 160 Celsius fan bake. So we're just going to transfer about 2 scoops each to the tray. Here you go, here's a vanilla cupcake ready to be baked in the oven. So make sure your oven is preheated to 160 fan bake. So now the cupcake is cooked, so we're going to transfer them into the cooling rack so that we can ice them. So just transfer all to cooling rack. Okay, we're going to do now the buttercream icing. So to start with, we're going to put in the butter, and we're going to beat the butter until it's light and fluffy. I'm going to scrape down the sides and then keep beating until it's pale in color. Then I'm going to add in the vanilla essence, and then the salt, and the safe icing sugar. Then we're going to add in a table of cream at a time until we get the right consistency that we wanted. So now if you want coloring, you can just add in some coloring. So I'm going to add pink coloring today. This is the gel color pink. Just put a little bit. So now this is the color that I wanted. So now we can put in icing bag. So this is disposable, and that is the icing tip I'm going to use. It's a flower icing tip. So we just put it in the icing bag. And then just cut the tip of the icing bag off with a scissors. And push the tip up. Easiest way is to put the bag in a container and you can push the bag out. So now we're just going to transfer the icing into the icing bag. So for the cupcake, I'm going to do different color icing that I have left over the other day. So if you want different color, just reserve some of the icing and just put different colors on it. So I have the green, the beige color, and the bright pink, and of course the light green that we did just now. So I'm going to show you 3 different tips that I've used. So we're going to start with the rose tip. So we're going to start around. So that's the rose. The rose, and then we're going to do this other tip, which is like a flower, raise up flower. So what we do is we're just going to cover it with icing first. Flower. Then we're going to use another flower tip and just gonna push it up. Is from the outside. way to use this flour is to go round. On top. Here you go, this is our super moist vanilla cupcake with buttercream icing, and different way to ice it with different flour tip. Hope you enjoyed today's video, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and look forward to see you again next time.